showing you the mods I got from this workshop. Yeah. So first we got more gore. We got more gore, basically. This is how it works. You just need to like shoot something. You just need to like shoot something like. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, basically it. The next one I got is this fella from Regretivator. Yeah, this fella from Regretivator. It also makes a squeaky. Well, duck noise, whatever the, yeah, looking for, sorry. Wait, did I get any more mods, or? Oh yeah, grow a garden. Yeah, I did get the grow a garden one. So, here is all the grow a garden stuff. The pineapple right here. The pineapple. Pretty cool. The best one is sugar apple. The best one is sugar apple. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, Goop and yourself. Yeah. Also, I think I saw him turn into like a twisted whenever you damage him too much. So let's just do this. Yeah. Second we got another. We got like yes. Yeah. Sorry if she was your favorite 10. Okay. Oh, we got 1x. We got 1x. Also a sword which deals pretty high damage. I need to stab someone. And yeah, but also, you don't really need his sword to like be able to stab. How do I get this off? Like, oh, there's someone else. Yeah, I'm like really lazy. What you do is this. Out and that, basically. So it deals less damage, but it still deals pretty high damage. Got some maps here. Nice. That's a track. What you do is just get Malaboy. Just chuck him into there. That will dissolve, turning into a skeleton, and you bring him down to dice just as that. I think that's something nice one. And then, yeah. That's it. Oh, pretty cool brain. Eating melon. This is just the same thing, but way better. I have to say, in my opinion. I'm looking sorry about my voice. By the baby 7 commences. I won't leave anyone alive. Yeah. We're gonna save map. Just need a more normal gun. Yeah, he broke his legs. Need help out. I mean, his arm made it out, so at least the pieces are made it out. Yeah, basically. Yeah. I got some really cool mods. Yeah, I got them. All this other stuff I downloaded. Not from the actual game, but from YouTube. They gave me the really cool link. Megalodon. Yeah, lags. Anyway, bye.